Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need Node and a package manager. Once installed, confirm versions. Start the project generator. npx create React app my app. This scaffolds files quickly. Make sure to cd into my app so commands affect the right folder. If you prefer Yarn, use Yarn create React app my app instead. Run ls or dir to inspect files, notice package, JSON and src. These are the touch points you will use repeatedly. This gets you into the working directory and primes the terminal for development tasks. You start the dev server with npm start. The terminal compiles code and shows errors inline. When you save files, the server hot reloads so you see changes instantly. Use npm run build to produce optimized assets when preparing to deploy. This outputs to build. Make sure to run tests with npm test and lint with npm run lint, which keep code healthy. Use Git in the terminal to commit small changes. This keeps your repo consistent while you iterate rapidly. You've built and are ready to deploy. Run npm run build and push build / to your host, or use Versal and Netlify CLIs for direct deploys. If something breaks locally, stop the server, remove node modules and package lock. JSON, then run npm install. This clears dependency issues. Make sure environment variables are in. Env and restart the dev server after edits. If errors persist, read the terminal stack trace to the file, and fix the specific import or syntax, then rerun the command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.